Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to withdraw money from pocket option to Binance. So let's dive into it. So one of the first things to do, which is the first step, is to log in into your pocket option account. So go to the finance or withdrawal section, then select crypto as your withdrawal method. Then after that, you have to choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, for example, USDT or BTC. Then open the Binance in another tab or on the Binance app. Then in the Binance, go to deposit and select the same cryptocurrency you chose on pocket option. Then after that, copy your balance wallet address for that cryptocurrency and match the network, and go back to the pocket option and paste the address in the withdrawal form and enter the amount you want to withdraw. So what that is done, confirm the withdrawal and complete any 2FA, which is your two-factor authentication or email verification step, and wait for the fund to arrive in your Binance account. Time depends on the network speed, and that's how you can easily withdraw money from pocket option to Binance account. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.